A lot of people develop, feel, and experience upper back and neck pain. And they commonly feel the pain kind of up in their trap area and just the back side of their neck, and it just feels unrelenting. Now, if you have a percussion device, I just happen to have a Theragun, and you go ahead and turn this on, a great way to work your body into this position is to just put your arm on something high. Like right now, I just happen to have these bars. You can do it on a countertop. You can do it, I'll just put my hand even on this wall, so it's flat on the wall. You turn on your percussion device, and you work kind of this upper trap, and you do it while your arm is in front of you. So this way your body learns to put your arm in front but not hike your shoulder towards your ear. A lot of times people will have that kind of chronic feel in their trap because it's kind of pinching around a nerve because the muscle is chronically tight. It's squeezing and it's not letting go and releasing. So a good way to do that is to turn on your percussion device, kind of work this upper trap a little bit, down, around, maybe further down towards the shoulder, maybe even the top of the delts, up and around, maybe even down towards the brachioradialis, down the forearm some, and you're just sort of letting the shoulder drop and relax, maybe a little bit under the armpit near your serratus and your pec muscle. And essentially what you're looking for is you sort of just want to work on the muscles all the way around the shoulder that you can reach with your arm while your arm is up. And you're looking for any sort of gasping or gripping. So when you put it somewhere and you go, that's tight. Well, you know your body shouldn't be responding that way. You should be so sensitive to your skin that way. It should just feel like, okay, that's pushing into my skin, but it's not causing a gut reaction. So if you have kind of a gasping or gut reaction to it, that's when you kind of want to kind of work around it. It's like, that's tight. Okay, well, see if you can, instead of really pressing down into it, see if you can lighten your load. And it's just because you're trying to move. Let's see where I can put this here. You're trying to move, it's almost because you have these different layers of skin, like this t-shirt on my shoulder here. You're trying to get this t-shirt, this different layers of skin to kind of just relax so the muscles have more flow, permeability, they can flap a little bit. And this way, when you tense them, they can be tense, but they shouldn't chronically be tense. So if you're having some upper trap, neck, shoulder discomfort, I love using the Theragun or any percussion device while putting your arm up and just working around the area and looking for any gasping or kind of gut reflex to aversion to move away. And then just try to ease that specific area. Take your arm off the wall, move it around a little bit. You should have more restored flow and ease of movement. So if you like this, check out my YouTube page, Dominic Sessa. Check out my website, dominicsessa.com. Stay tuned for more great videos on how to use your percussion device or your Theragun.